Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. We've got the new GR86 here, and I'm going to show you how to delete this ugly black box using our delete kit. Let's go. If you have a GR86, you already know about the problem. The mounting block that comes with the car, it's way too tall and not wide enough to suit Australian plates. So we have our delete kit here. You pair this up with our bracket, so you choose the correct bracket for your plate, and you're about to replace the mounting system with ours to get a nice clean look. You might say, oh, I have JDM plates. Even with JDM plates, it's not mounted high enough to be able to cover up the old mounting block. So I'm going to show you how all this works. First step is to take out the plate as well as the original mounting box. To do that, just take out the 2 bolts here. Behind it, there's 10mm bolts. Take that off and it will unclip off the car. Now you're ready to fit our plinth. So how it works is the back of it's the same shape as the hole in the bar. So what you want to do is just insert the plinth tab side first and then rotate it around, and then you can put in your bolts. But before you do that, just make sure your speed clips are center, just so you can get the best fitment possible. Now we're ready to mount up the number plate bracket. So the bracket is sold separately because you do need to choose the correct bracket to suit your number plate style. In this case, we're going with a slimline. How this mounts on is easy. There's 4 mount points on the plinth now. They line up with the slots on the bracket. That goes on with the bolts, and then your plate will match up with the corners there. There you have it. We've deleted the ugly black mounting box that comes with the car, and now using our delete kit, you've got a nice beautiful finish. Also gives it a nice floating look too. Just don't forget to grab a number plate bracket along with the delete kit, otherwise the mounting system won't work. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.